The Tarot, meaning of the Minor Arcana. In our previous video, we discussed the meaning of the first 22 cards in the Tarot deck, known as the Major Arcana. Now we will focus on the remaining 56 cards of the Minor Arcana, and remember, there are numerous ways to interpret the cards. Our video aims to provide an introduction without claiming any absolute truths. Let's start with the meanings. The Minor Arcana cards are divided into 4 suits: the Wands, the Cups, the Swords, and the Pentacles. Cards in the Wands category are associated with the element of fire. They represent drive, passion, and dominance. Cards of the Swords are attributed to the element of air. They generally symbolize knowledge, intellect, and reason. Cards in the Cups category correspond to the element of water. They stand for emotions, intuition, and the guiding instincts within us. And cards with the Pentacles belong to the element of earth. They represent groundedness, loyalty, and security. This also includes a financial aspect. Each suit is numbered and starts with the 4 court cards. We will now begin with the Wands suit, the King of Wands. This card signifies dominance, assertiveness, and respect. The Queen of Wands. She stands for passion, confidence, and feminine warmth. The Knight of Wands, call to arms. He symbolizes courage and determination and can sometimes represent impulsive actions. The Page of Wands. He is spirited, adventurous, and exuberant, full of energy yet unsure how to channel it. Ace of Wands. Success is at hand. Your passion and creativity are paying off. 2 of Wands. Perseverance is needed. Approach things with a bit more calmness and be less rigid. 3 of Wands. The foundation is set. Time to turn to new goals. You have the positivity to embark on new ventures. 4 of Wands. Is a celebration in the works? There is definitely something to celebrate. The 4 of Wands announces a peaceful time to enjoy. 5 of Wands. Tension is brewing. Heated discussions or conflicts are on the horizon. Hold on, this phase will pass. 6 of Wands. Congratulations. Victory is yours. You gain fame and recognition, having overcome all obstacles. 7 of Wands. Hold on tight. It's going to be a rough ride. Competition might make things difficult for you now. Don't give up. 8 of Wands. The tide is turning and in your favor. Good changes are just around the corner. 9 of Wands. Why so worried? You have great doubts. Now is the time to be brave and not get lost in your own worries. 10 of Wands. Something is weighing heavily on you. Is the struggle worth it? That's a question to ponder if you draw the 10 of Wands. Now let's move on to the Cups cards. King of Cups. Emotions are more important than money or power. This is what this card embodies. If you draw this card in a love reading, you're dealing with a highly emotional person, who may sometimes be overly sensitive. Queen of Cups. Gentle, loving, and emotional, the Queen of Cups appears. A powerful woman who doesn't always have her emotions under control. Don't let yourself be taken advantage of. Knight of Cups. If you don't fight for love, what will you fight for? This could be the Knight's motto. If you draw this card, a declaration of love might be coming your way, or you may decide to fight for what you love. Page of Cups. Dreamy and uncertain. That's the Page of Cups. He might not necessarily dare to stand up for his feelings. The card also symbolizes inexperience in relationships or connections that are just beginning. Ace of Cups. Deep connection, happiness, and love. This is what the Ace of Cups stands for. 2 of Cups. One of the most promising love cards in the tarot. The 2 of Cups stands for deep love or great friendship. 3 of Cups. Rejoice. The 3 of Cups gives you every reason to celebrate. You will receive good news. 4 of Cups. Don't let an opportunity pass you by. Don't hold on too tightly to the present. Otherwise, you might miss promising possibilities. 5 of Cups. A loss is hurting you. After this melancholic phase, better times will come. Six of Cups. Happy and carefree like a child. That's the energy of the Six of Cups. Caution. In love readings, this card also represents nostalgia. The return of a former lover may be on the horizon. Seven of Cups. You have options and dreams. There are many possibilities, but also many chances for self-deception. Beware of illusions. Eight of Cups, off to the unknown. Something in your life is undergoing a fundamental change. Nine of Cups. I am content as it is. This motto represents the Nine of Cups. However, sometimes this contentment can turn into pride or complacency. 10 of Cups, one of the happiest cards in the tarot. Everything is coming together, everything is right, everything fits. Let's move on to the Swords cards. King of Swords. He always has good arguments and knows exactly how to assert himself. He represents keen and logical thinking. Queen of Swords. If you draw the Queen of Swords, it's about reason, justice, and analysis. Knight of Swords, an unwavering focus, that's what this determined knight is all about. Page of Swords, inexperienced but provocative. The page loves challenges, but can he stand up to them? Ace of Swords, you know what you want. You have absolute clarity about what you need now and respond keenly and wisely. Two of Swords, should I or shouldn't I? You're at a crossroads and feel paralyzed. Wait it out. Three of Swords, the classic heartbreak card. You are plagued by great heartache. Be kind to yourself. Four of Swords, now nothing is happening and that's a good thing. Use this standstill to figure out what you really want. Five of Swords, betrayal. You spot a trap. Someone has deceived or disappointed you. Six of Swords, and suddenly everything changed. This card presents you with an uncertain future, and it's not by choice. Believe in yourself. Seven of Swords. Someone is sabotaging you, or you might be sabotaging someone, or perhaps your own happiness. Eight of Swords. Time to break free from the golden cage. You feel safe but are held back. Don't close yourself off. Sometimes taking a risk is worth it. Nine of Swords. Something is keeping you up at night. You see the end coming and feel helpless. Don't let your worries take over. 10 of Swords, the end has come. But a blossoming new beginning awaits you after a painful ending. Finally, let's move on to the Pentacles cards. King of Pentacles. He describes a solid and successful person who manages money well and keeps promises. Queen of Pentacles. Rational, smart, reliable, yet also kind-hearted. The Queen acts sensibly and keeps emotions to herself. Knight of Pentacles. A persistent person who plans ahead and is ready to give everything for their goal. Page of Pentacles. The page is eager and ambitious. In financial matters, he sometimes tends to set the wrong priorities. This card could refer to you or another person. Ace of Pentacles. Success is yours to keep. The Ace of Pentacles can also signify financial security and material well-being. Two of Pentacles. You experience ups and downs, pros and cons. In matters of love, this card often means that you have two options and are reluctant to give up either. Three of Pentacles. Be proud of yourself. Your accomplishments are finally being recognized. Four of Pentacles. Trust is good, control is better. The desire for security is very strong. You can't let go. Five of Pentacles. Are you feeling lonely or neglected right now? This mood is reflected by the Five of Pentacles. Look ahead. Even a sad phase will pass. Six of Pentacles. You want to give. This card is about generosity and kindness. Be careful not to let yourself be exploited. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this phase is tough, but the effort is worth it. The Seven of Pentacles reminds you of your perseverance. Make thoughtful decisions and work steadily towards your goal. 8 of Pentacles. You are currently in the process of building and showing a lot of ambition and diligence. You are on the right path. 9 of Pentacles, the lottery win of the tarot. The 9 of Pentacles symbolizes sudden happy turns of events. 10 of Pentacles, you have everything. Financial security and a steady true love. What more could one want? If you have comments or additions to our explanations, feel free to write them in the comments. The interpretation of the cards is complex and multifaceted. And don't forget to browse our shop. You'll find plenty of magical items, and now enjoy our card set.